To connect Zapier to your EcoSend account, you'll first need to head to your current project settings and the integration area. In the integrations section, select Zapier and click Install. You'll then need to create your Zapier project key and copy this to your clipboard. Next, head into Zapier and create your Zap. To set EcoSend as the trigger, head into the trigger section and search for Go Squared, our parent company. Select the event, which is typically user entering a smart group. When prompted, you'll then just need to paste your Zapier key into the box. And you're now connected. You can now select from the list of Zapier's partner apps to set as your actions or triggers. In this example, we'll set entry into our new Contacts Smart Group as the trigger to enter into our Pipedrive app and create a new lead. So here, we're setting our target app as Pipedrive and the event to create a lead. In this next example, we're going to set an app as a trigger and EcoSend as the recipient action. In this example, we're using the membership platform Circle and the trigger of a new member created. From which we're going to set entry into EcoSend as the action to create a new profile. We select again Go Squared from the list, followed by the event Create or Update Profile.